Hello guys, welcome back on OCP Technology. My name is Shripal and today we are going to learn how to install Oracle 19c on Linux platform. In this tutorial I'm going to use Oracle Linux 7.8 and you can get all the steps from my website www.ocptechnology.com. I will put that link in my video descriptions. So without wasting time, let's move on the computer screen and do the practically. Let me check my Linux OS version using the following command. Okay, you can see here my Linux OS version is a 7.8. Prerequisite for the Oracle 19c installation, it is required 12 GB, minimum 12 GB hard disk space and minimum 2 GB RAM free in your OS. Let me check the free disk space in my Linux machine using the df-h command. You can see in the root area we have a 34 GB free disk space available. Okay, so we are going to use this disk space for the Oracle 19c installation. Now it's time to download the Oracle 19c software. You can download Oracle 19c software from the OTN and eDLD. That is the direct link. You can directly click on this link and that link will help you to download the Oracle 19c from the Oracle website directly. After download the Oracle 19c database software, it will be downloaded as a zip file. So before unzip the software, we must create a Oracle home directory location, because after unzip the Oracle database 19c software not creating a single file as a Oracle 10g, 11g, 12c, it will creating a multiple files and folders inside the destination location. We should create a Oracle home directory before unzip. Okay, so let's create a directory before unzip the software. So using the mkdir command, we are going to create a Oracle home directory. This is my Oracle home directory. After creating this Oracle home directory, I'm going to unzip the software file. Okay, so this is my software file. Let's unzip this file using the unzip command and file name. After that -d and your destination location, which is the Oracle home location. After that just hit enter and it will be going to unzip. Okay, okay, our software is unzipped now. Now we need to set up the prerequisite. I'm going to use the yum server to set up all the prerequisite automatically. So here I'm going to use the preinstall setup, which is download all the RPMs and set up all the prerequisite settings automatically. So before executing the command, you must check the internet is properly working on your machine. Okay, because the command is automatically download all the RPMs from the internet directly. Okay, in my case the internet is working properly, so I'm going to issue the following command. Okay, it is completed. Now the preinstall command is automatically created the Oracle user, so I'm going to change the password for the Oracle user. Grant execution and Oracle installation privileges on the user1 directory to the Oracle user. Now all the settings are done. Switch user and login as an Oracle user, then run the runinstaller command. Let me do it quickly. So I'm just logging in the Oracle user. Just go inside the Oracle home directory using the cd command. Then just run the runinstaller. Set up software only. Single instance. Enter by addition. Oracle base location. Inventory directory. These all are the OS groups. We do not need to change anything here. We don't want to execute any root script right now, so I'm just going to skip this. It is checking the prerequisite. If all set, then there is no warning. Okay, then click on the install button. So your installation is started now. Okay, now execute these scripts as a root user. Just log in the root user and one by one execute both scripts. Okay, finally both script has been executed successfully. Just press the OK button and you can see your Oracle 19c installation has been done successfully. Just close and check the software is working or not. Just export the Oracle Home and go inside the Oracle Home bin directory and run the SQL plus command. If the SQL plus command is executed, then your software is working properly. Okay, you can see here in my case the software is working properly. Thanks for watching. In the next video we will check out the how to create the Oracle database in 19c. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.